The nightshade family. Solanaceae, huge family. Center of dispersal starts in Central America. Famous members of the family include tomato, potato, petunia, eggplant, tobacco. The nightshade family has edible members, but it's famous basically for the chemicals within, some of which are used medicinally and some can be misused. Belladonna is a drug from this family. Atropine, scopolamine for motion sickness, and other drugs hallucinogenic in the famous Jimson weed, for example. All members of this family have some kind of chemical which has potential for misuse. This is a tomato vine or a tomato plant, little tomato flower. Same features in this flower as most other members of the family. 5 little fused petals, 5 anthers surrounding the style and the stigma in the middle. White flower on green bell pepper typifies the family, this flower. When the flower matures, it develops into the fruit. In this case, we got chili peppers, hot stuff. The fruit becomes part of the food chain. We're in front of Windmill Farms. We're going inside shortly to check out members of the Solanaceae. In front of the store we had cayenne pepper for sale in a little pot to grow. Right here it's been processed. If your muscles are aching, cayenne pepper for muscle rub. Hot stuff. Good for what ails you. Spicy Mexican seasoning. Some really hot stuff. Mad Dog. Brews. Tomatoes. Lots of things you can do with tomatoes. Right here in the sauce department for enhancing pasta. Big family, allegedly deadly, but right here in the food department, big time. A couple of presidents back, this was a vegetable in school lunches. Ketchup. Is it ketchup or catsup? Take your pick. Still the same tomato with a different name. Look what you can do with a potato. All these different kinds of potato chips. And here's a double shot from the family tree. Jalapeno. Lots of tomato juice. The main ingredient in V8 is tomatoes. Lots of cool things you can do with potatoes. You can freeze them for French fries, oven fries, Yukon Gold fries. Here's a problem. Sweet potatoes. They're not in that family. It's just a purple tomato. Tastes a little different. Eggplant. Look at the variation in peppers. Yellow, green, red. Lots of colors in peppers. Various kinds of peppers. Yellow peppers. Tomatillos, also tomato family. Tomatoes. Cluster tomatoes. 89 cents a pound. Roma tomatoes. Must be from Italy. Baking potatoes. 3 pounds for $1. Red potatoes. Same price. Sweet potatoes. Not in the potato family. Not a true potato. Member of the morning glory family. Deluxe sun-dried tomatoes. Not just regular, but first class. Down here on the lower shelf, not deluxe, just regular. Members of the tomato family include tobacco. Look at all the variation of the leaves of the tobacco plant. You can chew it, you can inhale it, You can look at the flowers. Nicotine in the DNA of all members of Solanaceae. Here we are in the store. Family Solanaceae. Eggplant, peppers, potatoes, tomatoes. Huge family. Important on the planet as a food source. Solanaceae. The end.